If you've been putting off cleaning your patio, your driveway, or maybe your car because you can't really justify £300 on a new pressure washer, then this is the video for you. This is the V-TUF V2 X2 pressure washer, and despite its budget price, it actually is a premium product. We have a 135 bar max pressure here for a flow rate of 7.1 litres per minute. The high pressure hose length is a generous 5 metres long, and what I love is the high pressure nozzle here is steel, so this is also really good quality, not like the plastic nozzles that you often see with a pressure washer in this price range. Included is a whole collection of nozzles depending on the pressure that you are going to need for the job at hand, and I also love the fact it comes with a dedicated dispenser nozzle so you can put your soaps directly into that, and that is just perfect for us if we are cleaning a vehicle such as our cars. But if you are a homeowner or have a driveway or just need some kind of pressure washer cleaning, then there is going to be a nozzle for you included here. V-TUF have included the SSQ V-Pact system, which is their own inbuilt technology, and the intention here is that it intelligently fine-tunes the water momentum for that maximum cleaning efficiency. And I get that that may sound like marketing spiel, but I've been testing this thing, I've been using it quite heavily, and it does a fantastic job. It is definitely set apart, as I say, from competition within the same budget price point. In fact, I've come over from a £500 cordless Ego pressure washer, so technically much more premium than this model here, and yet I actually prefer the V-TUF option. I've just found it is more versatile, it has more options at your fingertips, it's lighter, it's easier to use, it's just as powerful if not more so, and it has definitely become our go-to pressure washer since we've now started using it. The pressure nozzles themselves are easily attached and removed using the quick release system. A chemical application nozzle and turbo nozzle are also included here, and setup for the whole system out the box took about 5 minutes. With the stainless steel lance, the collection of nozzles, along with the fact that it has the easy to pull trigger, I would definitely classify this as a domestic pressure washer that is professional grade. In terms of the overall design, I love the fact we have this high visibility yellow hose. This is going to make it actually a decent health and safety option, especially when you are around a busy driveway with vehicles. And whereas budget pressure washers tend to use a plastic inlet in order to save on costs, that's not the case here. We have a high quality brass inlet that is going to last, and that's really important, a great feature. That SSQ quick release system I mentioned is also expandable, so you can get additional accessories, maybe a hose extension up to 12 meters. Yes, this pressure washer is ready for all of that as well. Overall, this is definitely going to do the job for patio and driveway cleaning, car, caravan and bike washing, garden furniture, decking, not a problem, just make sure you're using the correct nozzles for those tasks, and also fences and garden buildings as well. Overall, this is a great system, lots of options at your fingertips here, but it excels at everything that it does. We've been loving it since we've been using it. As I say, it's definitely become our go-to pressure washer for the jobs that we have, and I hope the video has helped.